something money can buy we poor people don't even know of? 1. I do IT for the hilariously rich in LA. My favorite thing you can buy is a $300,000 theater streaming device that allows you to watch just released movies directly into your home theater. It requires a background check and a huge amount of money, but then any movie released in theaters is directly uploaded into your system and then you can watch at home in your own little movie theater. 2. There are companies that sell books by the foot, usually leather bound. It's for decorating so your in-home library is stocked with books. Normally you can pick genres or just let the company fill your shelves. You just give them the length of your shelves and your color scheme and they send you books to fill the shelves in bindings that harmonize with your room's color palette. 3. Personal concierge services. Pay an annual fee of several $1,000s, and be able to request help getting whatever, hard to get concert tickets, dinner reservations, you name it. 4. The biggest thing is time. Need to get to London for a meeting? Leave for the airport and your plane/charter waits for you. Need a haircut? A person comes to your house to do it for you. Imagine a lot of the things you go out to do on a daily basis and imagine having people to do all